How to fix audio delay on TikTok. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimu from App Guide. In today's guide video, I'll show you a way on how you can actually fix the audio delay issue on TikTok. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. So the audio delay could be causing due to multiple reasons. The first is that if you have connected a Bluetooth device such as AirPods Pro, any of the Galaxy Buds or anything such as wireless, just make sure to turn off Bluetooth and try to see if the normal app is working fine. If it is working fine, then that is because most likely it is causing the problem with the hardware operating system. Now after that, I would also recommend you to simply check your internet connection, because when your internet connection is relatively slow, it will have already loaded the video but not the audio, or vice versa. So that could be the audio delay issue as well. Other than that, there are also some of the general fixes which you can conduct. That is to simply go ahead and then long press on the TikTok app icon over here and go to the I button. Now if you're on iPhone, you have to go ahead and offload the application, or you can try uninstalling and reinstalling it again. But for Android users, there's really no need for you to uninstall, because you can just go to the option called storage and you can go to clear cache, and if possible you can also clear the data. Clearing the data will get rid of most of the bugs because it is going to reset the application. After that, you can open up your respective app store over here, and in the search box you want to go ahead and then type in TikTok. Once you type in TikTok, if you see an update button there next to the TikTok app, I would recommend you to update it to the latest version. What updating does is that it is going to get rid of most of the bugs and errors that existed in the previous version of the TikTok application. Hopefully one of these would have definitely helped solve your problem. If it did help solve your problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, then simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.